In this video, we're going to talk about charitable giving in your estate planning. Hi, I'm Sarah Siedentopf. I'm an estate planning and probate attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. Many of us have charitable inclinations, but potentially worry about giving money away now, which is why giving through your estate planning can be so powerful. And there are a lot of different ways that we can do this. One is a bequest in your will or your trust. Just a straight out gift to whichever charity or charities you want. It can be a specific amount of money, it can be a specific percentage of your estate, sort of the sky's the limit for what you want to do there. And that's a very basic, anybody can do this, even $500 to the Humane Society, something like that, is worth considering and doing, very easy. Another option, a sort of, step up option, is considering what you are giving to the charity. And giving appreciated stock can be beneficial because the charity isn't going to pay the taxes on that appreciation, and now you won't pay the taxes, your estate won't pay the taxes on that appreciation. So that can be a win-win on tax strategy. Another thing is making a charity the beneficiary of your IRA. Again, they're not going to be paying taxes, and if instead of taking your minimum distributions, they are qualified distributions to a charity, you aren't going to be paying the taxes on them either. And then, of course, there are, the full-on charitable trusts. We can have either charitable lead trusts, charitable remainder trusts, or total charitable benefit trusts. A charitable lead trust means that the charity is getting money up front, and whatever is left goes to your family at the end, or your beneficiaries, whoever you've chosen. A charitable remainder trust means your beneficiaries get the income from the trust for a certain period of time, and then whatever is left goes to the charity at the end. And there are, of course, rules for how this has to be calculated so that it is a real gift to the charity to qualify for tax purposes. But then there's also just a complete charitable trust that's a sole benefit to charity, and we're not trying to keep anything for any other beneficiaries. So right now, the estate tax exemption limit is just over $12 million per person. So $12 million for an individual, $24 million for a couple. Anything over that is getting taxed when you pass away. Georgia goes with the federal income tax, so federally it's taxed and Georgia would tax it, but if we're below that limit, neither are taxing. Now in 2026, the estate tax is set to sunset to $6 million a person or $12 million per couple. Many things could happen in between now and then, so that's not definite, but that is if nothing happens, Congress does nothing, that is what is set to happen under the law. So if you are expecting to have more than $6 million or are in the realm of $6 million, charitable planning is definitely something that you may want to consider for the tax advantages. And of course, if you just want to be charitable, regardless of the tax advantages, I encourage that as well. And again, can be just as easy as giving whatever specific gift in your will or trust. If you are interested in charitable giving, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I would love to talk to you, and thank you for listening, and please like and subscribe.